Hi everyone, I just got these amazing bed sheets from Abeero Home made for better sleep. These bed sheets come in gray, burgundy, and white. It includes one flat sheet, one fitted sheet, and pillowcases. The material is 100% polyester microfiber. The special features of these bed sheets include deep pockets, they are breathable, they are also wrinkle, fade, and shrink resistant, very lightweight, and also skin friendly. This king-size fitted sheet with deep pockets fits mattresses up to 15-inch sheet with elastic on all four corners. It also has additional straps to keep sheets on the bed. These bed sheets are also the best option if you suffer from any allergies. Now I'm ready for a better night's sleep. I had the best sleep with Abeero Home bed sheets.